In fact, we talk about Islamic banking system, Islamic financial institutions, whereas in reality, I think there is no difference between conventional banking system and the commercial banking system, except the transposition of word. Instead of interest or riba, it is profit rate. Instead of post-import finance, it is murabbaha. And instead of overdraft facility, it is tawruk. So in reality, I am experiencing this, and also I would like to add that there is profit rate instead of interest, but there is no loss rate in Islamic banking system. So in this juncture, do you think that Islamic banking system is a substitute for the conventional or the commercial banking system? Thank you.
Question is Islamic banking system do I think that is Islamic banking system a substitute for commercial banking system? As I told, Islamic banking system prevailing in the all over the world has its own limitations, because all the banking systems are based on the monetary policy, monetary economics prevailing in the world. So the root is in the monetary policy prevailing in the world. So without changing that, Islamic banking system will have some problems, like our brother told. But it is not as similar as commercial banking system. In Quran itself it is said, Allah allowed trade and prohibited riba. What's the difference between that? In trade also, we are selling something, we are getting profit. Getting profit and loss, it is there in trade. But Allah says in the same ayah that Allah prohibited riba and trade. So Islamic banking system, as the former speaker, he's an expert in Islamic banking system. You might, if you would have asked this question to him, it would be better, because he is very much expertise in that system. So even though the present Islamic banking system has its own limitations, it is not based on riba. It is not based on riba. That's the main difference between.
We'll have the next question from the